Okay, so what is the vertical line test? Vertical line test says if you draw a vertical line through your graph and it touches the graph only once, it passes the vertical line test and is a function. My puppy is like up in my face right now. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, so let's look at one of our graphs that we just did. So we had the one graph that was a parabola, right? And then we had the other graph that was a straight line. So I'm going to switch colors to red. If I draw a vertical line through my parabola, how many times does it touch? Once, twice. So since it touches more than once, this is not a function. It can only touch once. But if I draw a vertical line through my straight line, it touches once. You can draw it anywhere you want, right? No matter where you draw it, it's only going to touch once. So this one is a function. Now, you may have tried to be slick and draw your vertical line right here on the parabola, and it would have touched once, but because it's possible to draw it somewhere else and have it touch twice, that means it is not a function. So if you pass the vertical line test, your vertical line is only touching the graph once. On the next slide, we have a table just to kind of give you a visual of what the vertical line test is. We have a bunch of things that are functions because the vertical lines are only touching the graph in one place. And then down here, these are not functions because on a circle, it can touch twice. And just like this parabola on its side, it can touch 2 times.